See that? That's a carb. Take the jets out, take the block out, give it all a blow through.
Good blowing.
Oh yes. Blow it hard. Hard then soft, hard then soft. One jet. Hope this is the right size. Yep. Don't over tighten these, but you will snap it. I have done it before. And this one's a fiddly one. Might need something to get it out. Take the block out. And don't watch how I do it, because you can always do it better. And we've all in there, blow out for all the holes, through in there, and in the jets. Hold up to the light. You hold up to the light, I can't see through it, so it needs cleared out.
Just like you.
Oh, I always need cleared out, like my old bike.
I was on about your ass.
Always mind, before you put the carb back in all clean, clean the airbox fully through, get rags, clean it all out, or you'll just suck shit straight into it again and your bike will run terribly. Make sure you get right deep in there and give her a good clean out. She loves being cleaned out. Oh yes. Now be careful when you're building it back up. Don't over tighten anything or leave anything loose. I put my carb in before and left jets loose and then petrol pisses everywhere. Just not what you want, especially before a race. Jets in. Fiddly things, so take your time. Oh. Can't find the hole there. No hair on it. Can't get it through. There we go. This is the fiddly bit, lining everything up. You aim wherever that breather is into there. Look it across. And bolts on. Cut. Slide her in. Nice and gently.
No grease needed.
Nope. A little bit spit. It's the boring bit, putting the bolts in. Need an impact gun, eh? No bother. You got bolts that are too long, it doesn't help either. Out the spares box. This is the awkward bit. Past the airbox. Into the reed block. And somehow fold that back. Stop. Then put it all back together. And to put the fuel wells on. Fresh new bottle of Rock Oil Factory Foam from MRS. Cheers guys. Sweet. That's better. Look. Carbs clean first try. Fuck the haters. You know what I'm worried about? Maybe got 2 lean jets in for riding fast like. What are we thinking, Bruce? Do we change them? Change the tyre first. And I've got a tip for you, Bruce, and the viewers. When you're taking it out, you know when you're putting the back wheel in, you always struggle to slide the disc into the brakes.
Okay.
What you do, you get your knee on the brakes, give it a push, pushes the pads out. So when you're going back in, plenty of room to go in. When you're riding again, don't forget to pump the back brake up, or you will go straight into a tree when you're riding. Now when you're going in, this slides in, no bother. Chin up.